So yeah, I told you yesterday, those two are called as universal, all and no. Those two are called as universal because you know, like if you take all boys or not, all boys or girls. If you take means you know how to draw the diagram, Venn diagram exactly, and you know the logic. Okay, this is how it will be. So if you take no also the same case. So no means the relation between the subject and predicate, you know the exactly. So those two are called as universal, and some and some not. You don't know exactly when. Some means only if you know the universal you can solve the problem, because only with the sum and the sum not it's very difficult for you to solve the problem. So better start the question with the universal. If you check the statement, if they have given any universal term like all, we'll see some other term in the upcoming slides. So these two, all and no, are called as universal, and this one, some and some not, are called as particular. So I usually universally this all is called as A because everything is possible. So A and no is called as E, some is I, some not is O. So while you are referring some other lectures, somebody people might use this A, E, I, O like that. So keep in mind A means all, E means no, I means some, O means some not. Okay. So let me move to next slide. So yesterday we have seen how to draw a Venn diagram for all cats or rats. So similar way I have drawn today. So cats, all cats are rats. Is that fine? We have draw the similar diagram yesterday. So these are the keywords. Usually there are some hidden keywords in the syllogism. In the exam, they won't ask like all cats are rats. Instead, they will use the different terms like every. So like everyone in the class get good mark like that. So each of the students got a good mark like that. So these are some of the hidden keywords. Keep a note of these keywords because they will in the examination point of view, these keywords are very much essential. For example, only S is P. For example, instead of all cats are rats, there is a possibility of asking like this: only cats are rats. If you take only means it implies all only, because only means it is all. Okay. So another one example is there: none but S is P. So to confuse you, they will give like this: none. So if you see the none means you will go for no, no model. You will go and solve the no model, uh, they will in order to confuse you, they will give such question: none but S is P. Okay. So the same way, no one else but S is P. No one else. So this is they have given for simply in order to confuse you. Okay. But so if they in the question they have given none, but means you have to go and put. We have to follow the model one, that is all. So these are the keywords we are using only for the all. Okay. So same way we have a lot of hidden keywords. They will call us hidden terms. So the same way we can see this. Some cats are rats. You know, some cats and rats. Okay. Yesterday we know how to draw this diagram. So there are some other possibility like some, most, a few, mostly, generally, mostly, frequently, often. So don't worry, I will share the slide with all of you. So don't worry about that. I will share you the slides. So don't worry. So after that you can note. Okay. So negative. Some of the some of the words like few, seldom, hardly, scarcely, rarely, little. These are the words you need to be attend very carefully, because you have to check any negative is there, like a few of them in the class are not present, like that. So some of the question they will have the negative. So if you go and see the few means, you have to be very careful in attending the question. So I will explain in that later. So one more important thing is there, all plus except. For example, all students except three have passed. So so if you see this question like this, don't go and solve like all. So all student means, you will, what will you do? You draw this diagram. So what will you do? Like this and like this, and you try to solve. But exactly it is not the case. So all students except three have passed. So the same way, you have to be careful while attending the question. So I will go to next. So no cats are rats. So similar way I'm taking, no cats are rats. So you know easily, no one, none, not a single. These are the some of the words. These are hidden words. Usually in exams they will ask. So no one, none, not a single. Okay. For example, another one is that he doesn't deserve gold. This is one of the example. You say he doesn't deserve gold means he doesn't deserve gold. So what it implies, he doesn't get the gold medal. So you have to go for no. Okay, he doesn't deserve gold means you have to go for no. Okay, none can escape from jail. So another example is none can escape from jail. So no one can escape from jail. So you have to go solve this model 2. Okay, is there any person cheat himself? Another one is there. Is there any person cheat himself? So this is one more example. And one more example I have given. No student except Ram has passed. So if such a statement is given, if the predicate is definite, means you have to use the no. Okay, no model. If the predicate is not definite, in some case, no student except two has passed, because you don't know who has passed. So in that case, you have to take the some not. Okay. So I will move to next. So some cats are not rat. We so we have seen how to draw the Venn diagram for these three, and we know the possibilities of these all these things. So one more example I have taken, all that glitters are not gold. So what does it mean, all that glitters are not gold? That means some glittering objects are not gold. Okay. It's not the like all the glitters are not gold means not everything which glitters are gold. Okay. So you have to take like some glittering objects are not gold. Okay. So another example is beginning. So these are the keywords which you have seen in some that second third case also, some model also. So I have given the same, but if it is joining with not, for example, some students are not present, that means you have to go and solve this some not. Okay, most of the students are not regular, like that. These are some of the example I have given. So in the last slide I told you like no student except some Mano has passed. Okay, that means definite, so you have to go for no. But in some other case, they will be given like no student except the few has passed, or no student except two has passed. That means you definitely you have to solve in this model only. Okay, we will see this with some examples. These examples are not prepared by myself. These are the questions which asked in the previous year various competitive exams. Okay, so everyone we can solve this problem. So how to draw this? So some bags, right? some bags are tables. So you know how to draw. First, what we have to do is first we have to check whether any universal statement is there. So we have universal statement. So we'll draw this. All bags are sorry. Okay. Okay. You know, you know how to draw this. So this is bag and this is chair. Okay. Some bags are tables. So how to draw this? Wait. Well, instead of this, we take this. So what is this? All bag. This is bag and this is chair. So, okay. And how to draw this? Some bags are table means it should be linked with this. Okay. So like this only the diagram should be. So some bags are table. So check with the conclusion. Some bags are table. Sorry, this table. Na? Okay. So it is table. Okay. So this is how the diagram should be Venn diagram. Okay. So check any other possibility is there. Since there is relation between bag and the table, you have to connect this bag and table. This is how we have to draw. There is any other possibilities there. So what is the answer for this question? Anybody have found this answer for this question? Yeah. Anybody have found this answer? So we'll check any other possibilities there. So I'll draw another circle. So this is another possibility. If you missed out this means you will get you will end up in wrong answer. So this is V and this is T and this is C. So after drawing you have to cross check whether you have whether you have done it rightly. So check the universal thing. All bags are chair. So all bags are chair. Whether it is true. Yeah, all bags are chair. Okay. Some bags are table. So some bags are table. Some bags are table. So our two of our condition has satisfied. So these two diagrams are right. So we have to check whether our conclusion follows or not. So what is the answer for this question? Anybody have found this answer? So some tables are chair. Is that possibility? Table and chair. Table and chair. So he is right. So check for the answer once you got right answer. So there are two possibilities in the answer. So you check no chair is table. Is that possibility? No. So eliminate B. So again we are end up in two answers. So some chairs are bag. Some chairs are bag. Definitely it's true. Some. So our answer is A. 1. A by C. So everyone got the answer. So everyone got the answer. So everyone got the answer. So this I'll take the eraser and so this is how I have solved. So these are the things which this are already available. I have done and I have prepared a slide for this. So we'll move to next sum. So you solve this by yourself and we'll see. So this is the second model which I have taken. All republics are grateful. You know how to draw the diagram for this. All republics are grateful. So republics, what we have to do? This is This is R, republic. This one, grateful. Okay. So if preposition all republics are grateful is taken to be true, so this is true. Okay. The question itself they have given this is true. So then which one of the following are the false? So check which one of the following are the false. So exactly this opposite to this is this one. So exactly this is false. Okay. Next, some republics are grateful. It is true. Is that true or not? Anybody solve this? Which of the following are false? Have you done? Have you completed anybody? Uh, so three. Some have given yes, yes, three. So which is the right answer? So answer is three. You check the answer. Somebody has replied it's three. So it cannot be true. So which of the following can be false if it is true? Okay. So we'll move to next. So the next question, this is you can easily solve this question, and this is the question which is asked in December 2018 net exam, UGC net exam question 2018 December. They have asked the same question. So you solve this, please. Anybody have done this? So we'll start with universal. So all judges are liar. Keep in mind all judges. So judges should be inside. So liars should be outside. So no doctors are liars. So what is the possibility? No doctors are liars. So doctors. This is doctors. Okay. So no doctors are liars. So is there any other possibility to draw this diagram? To draw the Venn diagram? Is there any other possibility? Check. Is there any other possibility? So no. So somebody has replied no. Any other possibility? I don't think so because no doctors are liars. There should not be linked between doctors and lawyers. You cannot touch this judge because if you draw doctors like this means some doctors are lawyers. So this will be false. So this is the only case. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. This everything will go. So this is the only case. Doctors should be separate and check the conclusion. No lawyers or doctors. Whether it is true. No lawyers or doctors. Yes, it is true. No doctor or judges. Yes, true. 1 and 2 is a true. So check the answer. 1 and 2. The option is given. So the answer is 2. Okay. Is it clear? I'll move to next. So this is the only possibility. So the next thing. There are two statements. This is another one model. There are two statements. which can't be true together but can be false together. Okay. So such type of problem you have to draw Venn diagram for all these things. Otherwise, there is another one topic is there. What is another one topic is there which is related to syllogism only. So you have to learn the topic. The topic name is square of opposition. Another one is there square of opposition. So you need to learn the topic if you want to solve it directly. Otherwise, you have to move to do the using Venn diagram. Okay. All poets are dreamers. So how you know how to draw? So this is poet. So solve on your own poet, and this is dreamers. Okay. So next one, no poets are dreamers. You know, poet and dreamers. So some poets are dreamers. So this is the same for this one. And finally, these three will be applicable to D. Okay. Because some not case 3 will be applicable. So there are two statements which can't be true together but can be false together. So which can be the answer for this question? Which can't be true together means we have to see the opposite. You go. I have drawn that quadri. We have seen this one. Right. I'll move to 16. Right. So this one, you see, this opposite side. Okay. This opposite side cannot be true. Okay. All and no. Okay. So our answer should be like. So our answer, all poets are dreamer, no poets are dreamer. So our answer should be 1. So everyone got the answer, same answer. Everyone got the same answer. 1 and 2. This one, all poets are dreamer, no poets are dreamer. Okay. Clear. So we'll solve the next question. And this is also asked in July 2018. Okay. All saints are noble, some religious men are saints. So draw the Venn diagram for this and solve this and tell me the answer for this question, please. So have you solved this problem? So what is the answer for this question? Somebody please reply. All saints are noble. So 3, 4. Which one is answer? 2, 1. Which one is answer?
3. AC.
3. So somebody has replied is 3. So any other possible answer for this? So we'll draw. So we'll start with universal one. Same way. So saints, nobles. Okay, some. So all saints are nobles. Okay, some religious men. So while taking this, you have to take these two terms. This is a single term. Okay, religious men are saints. So it should be like this. Oh, I'll draw this. Some religious men are saints. So the same way it will have two possibilities. Okay. So your diagram should be like this. So have you drawn these two diagrams and you check the possibilities? So is that fine? So what is the answer? Please reply. So 3. So answer is 3. So 1 and 3 are the two possibilities. So one is some religious men are noble. Some religious men are noble. Okay, there is a possibility because some religious men are noble. Okay, religious men are noble. Here, this is this one, and some religious men are noble. Okay, this thing because it is inside n. Okay, and second one is some saints are religious men. So some saints religious men, some saint religious men. So what is the main thing is you have to check the all the conditions, then only you can come up with the conclusion. For example, if you are drawing 2 diagram or 3 diagram, you have to check whether the conclusion is true in all the cases, then only you can come to the conclusion. So the answer for this is 1 and 3. Okay, so we'll move to next. This is some tricky question, so solve this one. So domestic animals are hardly ferocious. And this question was asked on July 2018. Okay. So some domestic animals are hardly ferocious. So hardly, the term, that is very much important. Okay. Hardly. So how we have to take means some domestic animals are not ferocious. So this is some not type. Okay. So some not type, you know how to draw this. So you have to draw all the 3 diagrams. So what they are telling is some animals are hardly ferocious is taken to be false. So some animals are not ferocious is taken to be false. Okay. So what is the true answer for this question? So if some animals are not ferocious means definitely some animals are ferocious. So the B should be a answer, definite answer for this question. So check whether B is there. So B is also there. So you know how to draw this diagram. Some animals are not ferocious. So I'll move to the next slide. So these are the 3 possibilities. So this is the one. Some animals are not ferocious. Okay. Some domestic animals are not ferocious. So the answer should be A and B. So have you got the answer? Answer should be A and B. So have you got the answer? 1. Somebody has replied 1. Yeah. Yes. So everyone are following what I am telling. Is there any doubt for anyone? Please ask. I hope everything is clear. So I am continuing with the class. So if anybody have any doubt, please tell me. So if you take syllogism, this is not only for net exam or anything. Almost in all competitive exam, they are asking syllogism. Why not D? Some domestic animals are non-ferocious. So what they have told is some domestic animals are not ferocious. So it is taken to be false. So why you are selecting this one? Because the question itself is some animals are non-ferocious and they are telling like the statement is taken to be false. So if the statement is taken to be false, you need to keep your eye, you concentrate on the question, whether it is taken to be true or taken to be false, then you solve the problem. Okay, since it is taken to be false, the D option should be eliminated because this is the question they have asked and they told like this is taken to be false. So D is eliminated. So answer is A and B. So any other doubt regarding this question? So shall I move to next question? Okay. So this is another one type of the question. They are, instead of giving some, they are giving most. So you have to take everything as sum only because the statement itself is positive. If the statement is negative, you have to worry about whether it is sum or sum not or something like that. But if you take the both the statement, the both the statement are sum because the both the statement are positive. These are also positive statement. These are also positive statement. So you know how to draw the diagram for this question. So most of the dancers are physically fit. Instead of this, I'll draw using the tool itself. So most of the dancers are physically fit. Okay, this is how we have drawn. And one more thing, most of the singers are okay. We have to label. Then only we can know which is. So this is D, and this is physically fit. PF. I'll put it like PF. Okay. And most of the singers are dancers. So dance, it should be connecting with this. Okay, most of the singers are dancers. So this is one of the possibility. The another one possibility is there. So it connecting this. So there are two possibility. Most of the people are skipping by drawing this one diagram, and they are not thinking about the second possibility. Only if you think the second possibility, you will end up with the answer. Otherwise, you will get up in the wrong answer. So option two, somebody told option two. Anybody got any other answer? So exactly the option two is the answer. So B and C are the right statements. So is there any doubt in this question? Otherwise, I will move to next because this is easy one. Okay. I'll move to this is we have to draw the Venn diagram I have done. So this another question. This is also easy one. Try and come up with the answer quickly. You have to do it very quickly. So bat, mammals, so bird. So this is the same type of question we have already seen in the first sum, I think. So all birds are mammals. So no birds are bird. Okay, this is bird. So no bats are bird. So another possibility is like this. There is another possibility. You can draw like the bird like this. So don't skip with one possibility. Think about the any other possibilities there. After checking, you have to cross check whether you have done it rightly. All bats are mammals. So you have to put B and M. Your condition, first condition is satisfied. No birds are bat. Bird, bat. There is no connection between bat and bird. So the second condition also satisfied. So you have to draw two diagrams. Then you come up with the conclusion, which is the right one. So anybody found this answer for this question? So anybody found the answer for this question? So what's the answer? So come up quickly for we'll move to next. So no one is doing the answers. Somebody replied 2. So answer is 2, 3 only. So I'll move to next. Any doubt? Ask me. What is it? So this is the Venn diagram we had drawn. So we'll move to next question. So this is also a different model. There are 4 statements. Among them, 2 are related in such a way that they can both be true, but they cannot both be false. Both be true, but they cannot both be false. So I have given the answer. So you check the keyword never, almost, hardly, each and every. These are some of the keywords. So first draw the diagram for this question. So never in the sense, how to draw the diagram. So honest people never suffer. It will be like this. Almost, all means some. Okay. Each and every means this one. Honest people hardly suffer means this three, these all three. Because that is some not. Honest people hardly suffer. Each and every one is this one all some. Okay. So this is how we have made the Venn diagram. And what you have got answer?
ಇನ್ನೇನೋ நடக்குது ஐயோ
Hello. So what is the answer for this question? Anybody have found the answer? Please reply. So first thing is I have told you have to check the keyword. The first you go and check never. Never means no. So this is no case. So you have to draw like this. Almost. Almost means some. So you have to draw like this. Honest people hardly suffer means some not. Some honest people not suffer. So some not. Okay. You understand this 3. And finally each and every means all. So this is how they will ask the question. They will not directly ask all honest people suffer. So you can easily draw the diagram. But this is not the answer. So what is the answer for this question? So check the condition. 2 are related in such a way that they can both be true. So check whether the 2 can be true, but they cannot both be false. If you are eliminating one answer means you cannot eliminate the another. So that is the case. They cannot both be false. Have you got any answer? Are you there? No, none is replying. Are you doing the sums or not? So somebody asked me one, whether one is true. So one means A and C. So you compare A and C. So earlier we see these both can be false because you cannot say everything. What is this? Oh, honest people. Because if you take all honest people are all suffer means you cannot say like all honest people never suffer. So these are two are contradictory. So you have to eliminate this first two. Okay, through elimination you can do. Okay, so all and no can never be true. All and no can never be true. So any other possibility could be useful if you teach alternation, subaltern, contract, subaltern. That alt and subaltern that and all comes under square of opposition. We need some separate class for the square of opposition. Then only we will get a clarity. Because within a single day you cannot go for a square of opposition. So any other doubt? So answer is B and C. So you check the condition of B and C. Almost all. This is sum. Okay. This is sum not. Okay. You know how to draw the sum and the sum not. I'll tell you. This is sum and this is sum not. Okay. The condition is they can both be true. Yes. So with the if you take this condition, if you check this condition, they both be true because some honest people do suffer and some honest people some not. Okay, some and some not are both can be true, but they both cannot be false. Okay, so answer should be B and C. Because if you take some honest people are true means there are three conditions like some not. We have to draw three diagrams. At least one diagram will be matched with each other. So both cannot be false. Okay, some honest people do suffer means some cannot be suffer. You can take like that. Okay, if you take in the meaning itself, some honest people suffer means some cannot suffer. So both cannot be false because at least some people will suffer. So are you clear with this? So this answer is B and C. I'll move to next. So I was telling you one thing, none but the brave wins the race. If you take this such type of question, what our mind will think like, we will go and solve the no. What will directly will do? None. So we'll do like this one and we try to solve the question. But the answer is not the case. So what is, as I already told you, none but. So this is such type of thing is given to confuse all. So what we have to do is, okay, okay. So this is brave. This is win the race. Okay, wins the race. So check the if false. So this is false. So which are the can be true? So exactly all brave person win the race. This is the question they have given. This is false. So you can eliminate this first one. Some person who win the race are not brave. This can be possibility. Is there? Are you following me? None is replying anything. What happened to you all? Hello, everyone are there or not? We'll continue or I will stop. So if you take this one, all brave person can win the race. So this is the question, and they have taken a told like this is false. So you can eliminate directly. No person who wins the race is brave. So there is no relation between this one because you can eliminate like this. So the answer should be between 2 and 3. You know, some person who win the race are not brave. So if only one thing you have to be very clear, like if this is false means this is true. Okay. So what you have to do is some person who win the race are not brave. We can take like that. Some person who win the race are not brave. Are you getting what I am telling? So this one, some person who win the race are not brave because this is the region. Okay, this is the person who are brave, and this is the region who are not brave. So you can take like some person who win the race are not brave. This is true. So the answer for this question is 2. So we'll solve the 2 more question and we'll end up this session. I think you people are very much confused, I think. So somebody have replied a 4. So if you take 4, no person who win the race is brave. No person who win the race is brave. The question itself they have given like all person who win the race. That is the question, and it is taken to be false. So there is no connection between no person who win the race is brave. Because some person or other who win the race, then only it is true. Otherwise, this will be taken to be false. So this is also false, this is also false, this is also false, and this is false. True. So this is the answer for the question 2. So this one another easy question you can solve by yourself. Yeah, please do solve this one. I think 2 more slides are there. So we'll end up the class. So solve the question. Untouchability is a curse. If And one more thing, if nothing is given in front means you have to take it as all. So untouchability is a curse means all untouchability is a curse. This is the major point. Don't miss this. If nothing is given in front of subject, if nothing is given in front of subject means you have to take it as all. So solve the questions. How to draw the diagram? So untouchability is a curse. So I can draw like this. And all hard pants are untouchable. So inside another one diagram. So this, your diagram should be like this. Are you getting? The diagram should be like this. So this one is hard pan, middle one is hard pan, and untouchable. This one is curse. Okay. So somebody replied one. Check whether one is true. All hard pants are curse. Yeah, definitely one is true. So through elimination we get the answer. We can eliminate everything. Anyway, we can check another second is true or not. Some untouchable things are hard pan. So this is untouchable thing and this is hard pan. So this untouchable, this area is also untouchable. So this is taken to be true. So this area is some untouchable things are hard pan. So this is taken to be true. So 1 and 2 is the answer. As somebody have rightly pointed out, 1 and 2 is the answer. So any doubt in this question? Are you getting me what I am telling? If you have any doubt, you just tell me. Please. Everyone got the same answer? Everyone draw the same diagram? Yes. You can reply, no issues. Then only we can move to next sum. So we'll move to next. So this is the answer I have done for you. And this one, this is the last question. Again and again, these kind of questions are asking in the exams. So you cannot escape from this such questions. And if you learn the square of opposition, it could be easy for you. So what we can do, we'll think about the square of opposition. If possible, you learn from YouTube also, no issues. So every student is attentive. So these are the keywords I have mentioned earlier. Every means what? All. So all. This is all case. Okay. So already I told you, we solved the same type of problem, which means they cannot be both be true, but cannot both be false. So we'll check whether we can solve this problem or not. So this is all question. Some students are attentive, you know this type. Students are never attentive means no. No, never means no. Some students are not attentive. So some students are not attentive. That means some not. You know how to draw the diagram. So draw the diagrams. Somebody have given D. So any other answer? So this is the last sum for today. So everyone can solve this and tell me the answer. So we can discuss the answer for the question. 2. Exactly. Somebody replied 2. So we already seen the same type of question earlier. So keep in mind they cannot both be true, but both be false means then definitely it should be all and no, because you know how to draw this. This is all and this is no. So this cannot be both be true. In that case, all and no, they cannot both be false. So this is how we have to draw the diagrams. Oh, I didn't draw diagram for this. Sorry. So this is the diagram I'll draw. So every means all, you know. So yes, every student is sorry. So answer is 2, A and C. Somebody have given right answer. The answer is 2, A and C. So every student is attentive. Okay. Some students are attentive. Some students are attentive. Some students are never attentive. You know how to draw this. Some students are not attentive. Same way. This is some students are not attentive. What is the difference between this and this is? This is some students are attentive. Some students are not attentive means this one. Okay. So if you take this, they both cannot be true. So as you know, if this is true means definitely this should be true, because you know if this person is true means definitely this person exists. So you can eliminate this one and this one, and you can take this can be both can be true or both cannot be true. Sorry, both cannot be true, because if you take this question means all student is attentive. It doesn't mean all students are not attentive. Okay, so this should be opposite one. So the answer should be, what is the answer? A and C, all and no. So everyone got the answer. Is that fine? Please reply. You can on the mic and reply, please. Yes. Any doubt? Is that useful for you? Is that informative? Whether you learned something from today's class? Yeah. You can share your feedback. So these type of the questions are usually asking nowadays. So you have to be very thorough with the question, and you have to be very thorough with the answer. If you know to draw the Venn diagram rightly means you can easily solve any problem. So any feedback for the session? We'll wind up for today. We don't know whether we are going to meet in the future. So I will share the material with you. So I have collected questions from 2006 to 2019. I have collected only the syllogism and I have put in a separate file. So I will share you the slides and I also share you all the questions. You yourself solve all things. Yeah, practicing the question makes it easier. Yeah, exactly. You can have practice. So I will share you the files. So I will share you all the files with me, two slides, and one more. This one, previous year question. I have collected from 2006 to 2019 June. So only the syllogism question. So I will share with you all. So I have given my contact details. If anybody doesn't have, please mail me or message me. I will share you the files because it's not possible to share slides through this one. So you mail me or message me. I will share you the slides and the files. So any feedback or anything? Do you want any other topic we can cover? If possible, we can cover. It's very difficult for me to prepare these kind of slides and everything because I have to completely dedicate my whole day for this thing. So I need some rest. So if possible, we'll see in the next week. You come up with any topic. We'll see about this. And some of the static questions will be also be given in the syllogism. So we have to see. So one question I will ask whether syllogism is deductive or inductive. Anybody tell me? So such type of question is already asked in the exam. So if possible, we can form a WhatsApp group so that we can share the material, and if possible, we can share any doubt or anything. So if you wish, we can start a group, and so that we can work effectively. So please message me through WhatsApp so that we can form a group. So somebody have replied like detective. Yeah, exactly this detective. Please don't share your contact detail in chat. Instead, you can message me directly in WhatsApp. Yeah, because this is general to specific. Yeah, exactly. So this is detective. So no, not my mail ID and this one. And if you message me or mail me, I will share you the material. So thank you so much for joining me, and hope you have a good session. And we'll meet again if possible. Thank you so much. Thank you all. And thank you for your joining me. And I hope I didn't disappoint you. You learned something. I don't know you. I don't know you. I never say like you learn everything. I'm telling like you have learned something from today's lesson, and it's not you just solve different problems so that you get idea, and you can solve easily once you practice. you can solve. So shall we end up the session? Any other feedback or any other corrections I need to do? In fact, my keyboard is not working. I'm using the virtual keyboard, so it's difficult for me to type. Thank you all for joining me.